One sunny day, a tiny elephant named Pico had a very big problem. He couldn't stop sneezing. Every time Pico sneezed, hush! All the bananas on the tree would fly into the air. The monkeys loved it. They sat in a line with bowls, shouting, "Pico, sneeze again." Pico tried to hold it in, but, choo. This time the bananas flew so high, they landed on a passing giraffe's head like a silly hat. Everyone laughed, even the giraffe. And Pico? He finally said, "If sneezing makes everyone this happy, then I'm the funniest elephant ever." Moral: sometimes our little problems can bring big smiles.